In yesterday's VRA price prediction, we are right here, and I told you that we're gonna pump very strong, and I've been saying that actually since Monday. This was a very beautiful bottom. We got some divergences on money flow on RSI. It was a very good place to enter long and try and get a sense of the 50 EMA on the 4 hour. We are still climbing towards it. We rejected at the 10 EMA, we rejected the 20 EMA. We're really trying to get to the 50 on the 4 hour. And there's a bunch of liquidations that happened in the meantime. And obviously this video is no financial advice. This guy got liquidated for 16K at 13,552. We had some this guy, look at how it wicked. Basically this guy getting liquidated the other guy. So this order was for, it's really hard to click, 14 grand. So in this order actually was right here, started right here. So this person that shorted here was profitable for a while, didn't take profit at the lows on the 30-minute, and then just got out with a bang. So one of the main targets I have is 13,786. 13,786 is basically where a lot of people have their stop losses from these levels. 13, let's mark it out from here. And I would say a little bit higher as well. So basically this is where I really want price to go to, because at the time of that happening, we'll also have the 50 MA going closer to it. So I'll be very interested in taking shorts around there in longs to that site, and this is basically how I'm planning to trade it. Combine what I'm saying with your own strategy to develop a thesis. Don't just follow my trades blindly. Here's some stats from the meme coin trades. 262 grand on meme coins. If you want to follow every single trade, the futures trades and the meme coin trades, I have a link in the description down below to my signals chat, where I basically have everything we've been talking about. I've been trying to get you a few deals also with some exchanges, but this is the signals chat. This is how it looks like. If you also want to follow my my course and learn a little bit from me, I made it cheap so everyone can enroll basically, and I'll be adding in new stuff later this week for futures. See you next video.